We already have export as PDF functionality and a dialog enabled in the desktop app, so I don't need to make too many changes and new code for it to be enabled online. First was simply enabling the dialog as a JS dialog and exposing it online, so adding a button to call the dialog. Next, we needed to make sure that the dialog was asynchronous on the back end so that multiple users can edit the document at once. This actually turned out to be a bit more complex than expected, so thanks to Shimon for helping me async the dialog. The next challenge that I faced was that on online, we use a file selector to get the file path for the document to be saved in, whereas with online, we can't use a file picker as the main file system is out of the domain. So instead, I decided it would be sensible to download the exported PDF, as we already have functionality for this. The final hurdle I worked on was with the password subdialog located in the security tab. This also needed to be a JS dialog as well as be asynchronous. Fortunately, it wasn't too hard, and after fixing that, the PDF dialog was now available and exposed online. Thanks for listening to my talk.